Hey, wild ones. Alright, so, little urban garden. This is the community garden plot. Just going to take in a really quick video so that I can kind of remember what's here and see what it looked like. So we've got a trellis for cucumbers that haven't come up yet. We've got leeks. We've got a sweet potato slip in there. A little bunch of potatoes coming up there. Swiss chard. We've got jalapeno peppers. On this side there's okra and tomatoes. At the back, strawberries and black currants. So we swing across. I've got some beds that aren't quite planted yet. There's got some good stuff going in there. By the trellis there's the raspberries that are just getting going and the ground cherry. We've got tomatoes, sweet red peppers, some assorted Asian greens, and then we finish up with the beets and the onions. So this is what everybody looks like when they're little. By those boards there, hopefully there's going to be a bunch of sunflowers coming up. We'll see. Hope everybody's okay out there. The challenges seem to be coming. Just keep swatting them back. Bye, y'all.